You should never leave your grill unattended. You should always have a fire extinguisher or a garden hose nearby. Any structure should be a 3-foot safe area where you should keep your grills. Cleaning the grill and cleaning the grease trap are important in preventing unexpected fires, especially with gas grills. Number one, it's going to burn unclean. It's not going to give you the fire that you want. It's going to give off a lot of byproducts of combustion you don't want. But it's also going to unexpectedly perhaps flare up while you could be reaching over to flip a burger or turn a hot dog or something. Well, you want to keep your lid open when you start your fire, first of all, because you're going to turn your gas on first. If you leave your grill closed, that gas is going to build up underneath the lid, and when you light it, it's going to explode. One of the things that a lot of people forget is the hose. Sometimes the hose can dry rot or just fray during the winter months. So if they take a bottle of soapy water and just spray it along the hose, when they turn the propane cylinder on, they can actually see where it begins to bubble. If they see the bubble, they need to turn the propane tank off immediately and either replace the hose or get a new grill. You still need to clean the surface of your charcoal grill. Again, for the same reasons if you clean any other grill, you want to get the debris off so that fire won't flare up on you unknowingly. Some of the really common problems with charcoal grills is people using fuels other than charcoal lighter fluid to light their grill. Never use anything other than lighter fluid. Don't use gasoline, diesel fuel, anything like that. It's not a good idea to add more lighter fluid once the grill is already lit. The fire will flare up on you, and it could also follow the stream back to the bottle and light you on fire and explode the can. Many people think that a couple hours after the grilling is over that the charcoal briquettes, even though they're gray and ashy, they're done, they're not holding any more heat. However, the charcoal holds heat for quite a long period of time, so the best thing to do is to take your charcoal ashes, put them in some water, and let them stay in water for a while, and keep them away from your decks and away from your home.